Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling everything: clip-in wefts, a fine-tooth comb, tail comb for parting, and a mirror. Work on clean, dry hair so clips sit flat, oily hair slips. Create a straight, horizontal part about 1 finger width above the nape and clip the top section out of the way. Once done, align the first weft with the part and open every clip so they are ready to snap. This initial setup saves time and ensures even placement as you move upward. Now you attach the wefts 1 row at a time, working from bottom to top. Position each weft close to the roots and snap every clip shut with firm pressure so they sit flush. You'll feel a click. Use smaller wefts near the temples to create natural layering. If a clip feels loose, tease a small section of the root hair and reattach. This increases grip without damage. Make sure to comb through after each row so the extension hair blends seamlessly with your natural hair. Finish by releasing the top section and letting the natural hair fall over the wefts. Style as desired with a curling iron or straightener on recommended heat settings. Once styled, run your fingers through and check every clip. If one feels loose, remove that weft, lightly backcomb the root area, and reattach the clip securely. Make sure all clips lie flat and hidden. If pieces peek out near the ears, tuck edges with a couple of bobby pins and gently smooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.